Hello, hello! It's been a little while since I've hopped on here and done any sort of fashion haul, so I wanted to pop on today and share with you some of the recent items that I purchased. Last night I went with a couple of my friends to Forever 21 and was blown away by this massive sale that they were having. It was buy one get one, and I like stocked up my cart and was ready to go. And I get to the front and it was only 30 bucks. So I'm gonna show you what I got because I haven't done one of these in a while, and I am excited to share with you some of the fashion pieces that I'll be rocking in the spring. So first of all, my scarf is about to eat me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off. Also, some of you guys have been asking, are my lashes real? They are not real, and let me tell you, it's not easy to look this good with these lashes, all right? So if you want a lash tutorial, I'd be so happy to do one for you. I used to get extensions, but they're very expensive, and also I didn't like how they made my eyes kind of itchy, so I would be happy to teach you guys. If you want to see that, leave a comment down below. Oh, and by the way, if you want more hauls or fashion tips, things like that, feel free to like this video, leave a comment, always subscribe, but I'm gonna go through the items that I got yesterday at Forever 21 during the sale. So this first one is a short little sweatshirt. It's like a crop top sweatshirt. It's really short. It cuts off right at the midriff, right below, you know, your chestal area. Love the color, obviously on brand. Love that. The next one that I got is this cute little t-shirt. It says women rule. Of course, you know I'm gonna rock that with some jean shorts, maybe some cute little Vans, sneakers. Oh, they have these hats on sale. This is obviously not a springtime item, but I'm so excited to rock this one. I got a couple of these for my friends. We plan to wear these at Burning Man, actually. If you guys want to know why I go to Burning Man or what Burning Man is all about, feel free to leave that in the comments below. Some people are really confused about what is Burning Man and why do you go to it. So if that's you, I'd be happy to share my experience. I got these cute little leather shorts. Obviously, I would not wear leather on leather because this is not a biker gang, but this could be really cute even with that Women Rule t-shirt. Let's see, what else? This, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. It's a cute little crop top, has a cute little bow down here. It's so soft, you guys. So freaking soft. And I love the color of this, obviously. Oh, by the way, this shirt also, it's actually like a one-piece shirt and it has a cute little back. Got this as well. Got some high-waisted black pants. Stoked on that one. Okay, here come the glitter shirts. I know I mentioned this about Burning Man, but I got these for Burning Man because they were on sale. It was buy one, get one free. Like I said, I didn't even know I was about to get so much cool stuff. This is the first one. How glittery and shimmery is that? It reminds me of Carly Chrisman, who's one of my favorite YouTubers. She has always like the cutest sequin stuff. And the cool part about this one is it's one of those ones where if you brush your hand across, it changes colors. So you can either have it pink or you can have it silver. I freaking love that. I don't know if I would wear this out, maybe like on a New Year's Eve type of a deal, but I think that's why it was all on sale, this glittery stuff. While we're on the note of sequins, I also got this cute little crop top. I don't know if you can see that, but it's basically like has this cool mermaidy pattern. Freaking love that. But this goes just like that. Probably wear it with high-waisted shorts. And last but not least, check this one out. This one is extra. Glitter top, extreme, look at that. It's like a disco ball. I'm gonna be a walking disco ball. So this goes here. Again, it's a crop top, so it cuts off right below your waist or above your waist. So cute. It's kind of noisy. I saved the best for last. This is my favorite thing. It was literally made for me. It's a cute little onesie. I'll probably wear this with like some white shorts and call it a day. Stay tuned because you will see pictures of this for sure. That's pretty much it. Out the door, I walked out with spending less than $50. So freaking cool. I don't know if I've ever escaped Forever 21 spending that little amount of money. So just to let you know, you don't need to spend $1 billion to look cute. You can definitely shop and get cute things on a budget. I recommend looking for those sales. So the BOGO sales are seriously the best. Like I don't really ever want to not shop BOGO anymore. BOGO means buy one, get one. So big fan. That's all I have for you today. The scarf's going back on, but I'm so glad that you stuck around for today's video and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye!